Greetings, folks. This is Scott with the Game Audio Institute, and we're here to announce some cool and exciting stuff that's going to be coming up. So, one of the things that one of the videos that we've talked about was actually saying that, employers are basically looking for is experience with game engines, as well as the middleware, which is really super common at this point in time. Almost anybody who's interested in game audio at this point pretty much knows that middleware figures very prominently into game audio and things like that, which is very awesome. But sometimes companies don't use middleware. And in that case, if you wanted to get middleware behavior, you kind of have to script things. Furthermore, even if you do have middleware and you're working inside the Unity game engine, in most cases, that's going to mean you're also going to have to learn a little bit of scripting. So that's what this is going to be. It's going to be a bunch of short videos that will put the concept of how to do sound in Unity audio at the forefront, and we're going to also involve a lot of C# scripting, sometimes in order to be able to get behavior that you would have to get in terms of middleware, sometimes maybe more straightforward type stuff, but basically it's just going to be little sort of bite-sized chunks that also put things in context, because there's lots of videos for this kind of stuff out there, but a lot of it doesn't really put things in context. It's very sort of piecemeal. Hey, I did this. Hey, I did this. Hey, I did this, that kind of thing. It doesn't really explain how this all fits into a larger picture. And that's one of the things that the Game Audio Institute does very well. We can put you in the larger picture. We can let you see how the whole thing relates and how it all makes sense when you think about it. Anyway, so we're going to be doing much more of that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in this kind of stuff, come leave some comments below and let me know what you might be interested in learning in terms of this kind of scripting sort of stuff. And also, if you have any interest in, watching these videos, then please subscribe. And if you have interest in supporting us, you can support us on the Patreon, and that's a link down below. And without any further ado, we're just going to basically be dealing with Unity. I mean, basically, we're just going to be doing a simple Unity 3D project that's very basic that you'll be able to install, and you'll be able to follow along with me basically on these kinds of things. So that's going to be coming up in just a few days. So stay tuned for all of that kind of stuff, and we will see you in the videos. All right, take care.